My name's Alicia Zimmerman. I'm a partner here at Singleton Schreiber, and I run the Wildfire litigation. Lived in San Diego during the 2004 and 2007 fires, and they actually impacted our home. So it just kind of hit close to home, and it's just so easy to advocate for fire victims because it's genuine and it's real. They're people that have clearly suffered and have losses, and just to be able to help make them whole again is a really cool thing to do. It's an area of law that, while you can't ever replace everything people lost, and so you can help them get the money to rebuild what they lost. And so it's really cool to be able to do that. We try to really focus on the individual. A lot of firms, focus on the fire, and each case is different. Each case is worked up by a team separately and individually. Your damages are unique to you, and we work with you to capture what those damages are, so that when we go to the court and to the jury, we have your story. It's really figuring out how we can help them through every step of the process, right? Who's your insurance company to call? Do you need some therapy? What can we do to help you even outside of the litigation aspect? Yes, absolutely. There's so much that goes into fire litigation because it's not just about how much money you can get them, but it's helping them through the process. Folks call us on the absolute worst day in their life. And so I think that really sets us apart from other firms, is that we encourage folks to call us no matter what, and we'll help them. If we don't have the answer, we'll help them find the answer.